But we start today with President Trump's tariffs, rattling markets around the world and fueling recession fears. Asian markets have already started to fall this morning after a massive sell-off that sent Wall Street into bedlam late last week. The White House says nearly 50 countries have already reached out to work out a deal to try to lift the tariffs. President Trump admits he doesn't like to see global markets drop, but he's confident the tariffs will work out long term. The president even comparing the tariffs to medicine for a very sick patient.
Hundreds of billions of dollars is pouring into our country on a monthly basis. It's pouring. It's already started because I put tariffs on. And eventually it's going to straighten out and our country will be solid and strong again.
Stock futures pointing toward another down day on Wall Street. As we take a look at pre-market trading for you, all three major indices in the red. NewsNation's Elina Shirazi continues monitoring the overnight developments as most of us are just waking up. Elina, I see that China is already firing back at the president this morning.
China is firing back this morning. Anna, good morning. A spokesperson for Beijing overnight accusing the United States of, quote, unilateralism, protectionism, and economic bullying, and, quote, putting the U.S. first over international rules. Now, President Trump, we know, increased tariffs on Chinese goods to 54%. China responding by adding a 34% tax on all U.S. imports in response. All of those tariffs and retaliatory measures are set to officially take effect this Wednesday this week. On Air Force One, though, last night, the president downplaying the Wall Street sell-off and defending the tariffs as necessary.
It's unsustainable for us to allow China to have surpluses of $1 trillion. We will be taking in over $1 trillion over the next short period of time with the tariffs that I've already instituted. They're already in place. Now, what's going to happen with the market, I can't tell you, but I can tell you our country has gotten a lot stronger. I don't want anything to go down, but sometimes you have to take medicine to fix something.
The president, though, posting to Truth Social overnight as well, saying, quote, we have massive financial deficits with China, the European Union, and many others. The only way this problem can be cured is with tariffs. He continued, quote, someday people will realize that tariffs for the United States of America are a very beautiful thing. President Trump telling reporters he's already heard from several world leaders looking to make a deal.
I spoke to a lot of leaders, European, Asian, from all over the world. They're dying to make a deal. But I said, we're not going to have deficits with your country. We're not going to do that because to me a deficit is a loss. We're going to have surpluses or we're at worst going to be breaking even.
And Anna, those tariffs expected to be a major talking point when President Trump meets with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu later today at the White House. The U.S. slapped a 17% tariff on Israel for a reminder there. Anna.
All right, a lot of back and forth. Elina Shirazi, thank you so much for that.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.